Hello everybody, the boxing's on tonight and I was going to order a Chinese for the boxing later on, Tyson Fury, because I do like me boxing and I thought we'd have a Chinese for tea, but then I thought I've got all the ingredients in, so I'm going to make one, nice and simple this one. It'll probably take, as long as it takes the rice to boil, to cook, that's how long it's going to take I think. Let me show you what I've got. Okay, this is what I've got. What I'm going to do, I'm going to make a big batch, because when the boxing's on later on, about 10 o'clock or whenever it's on, if I'm hungry I can always grab a bit more. That's what I'm going to do. So I've got 4 chicken breasts. What I'm going to do, I'm going to butterfly them all, then I'm going to slice them thinner. I've got my lovely Chinese smooth and spicy from Mr. Marinade. I haven't opened it yet, but if it's anything like the other one we had the other day, it was absolutely delicious for the takeaway one I've done. So we're going to have them. I've got myself 2 onions, which I've just diced up, nice and simple. Tin of peas. Nat don't really like peas and herbs, so I'm going to put them at the very end after I've dished hers up, if you get what I mean, just for a couple of minutes. I've got a load of rice, which I've done, you can see. Look. Say, because I'm going to do a big batch of it. And the only thing I had to buy really was some spring rolls, vegetable spring rolls from Aldi, that's all. So it's nice and simple. I've got my water boiling for my rice already. As soon as that starts boiling we'll get the rice in. But in the meantime I'm going to dice, butterfly them and thinly slice them. It might be a bit of a late upload on this one because I've had to wait for this, because I was going to order one, I've had to wait for this chicken to defrost, if you get me. So by the time I upload, I'm hoping I can get it up tonight before the fight starts. But we'll see, eh? We'll see. Let's butterfly them and put them like that. I'm going to do loads, you see. Butterflied them, just say chopped them thin. I'm just going to do, just so they cook quicker, that's all. Just some thin strips like that. I have just cut a little bit of the excess fat off. There is a little bit on there. Just like that. That'll do, won't it? We'll get all them in a bowl. I'll do all them. The water for the rice has just started boiling. We'll just cut these up. We'll get the rice in. There we go. Loads of chicken there now, look. Wash my hands. We'll get the rice in. Okay, let's get the rice in. Splash, give a mix. So just do your rice as your packing instructions, don't you? That's all. Just make sure you wash your plate first. That's that done. Let that do its thing, boil and then simmer it down. I've got my pan heating up for my chicken and that now. I'm just getting a little bit of oil in there. And while that's just warming up a minute, I'm just going to put these in the oven. I take 12 minutes there. If you want to have a look at the ingredients, if you can see it. I think a lot of you probably had them before, ain't you? Just get myself a hot tray out. Boiling hot. And I bought 2 packs of these. I bought 2 packs. Because why not? Get them all on there. Same side down if I can. Turn it round. I do like a spring roll, me. I do like a spring roll, I must admit that. And these ain't bad for the price. I think they're $1.49, I think, or something like that. Get them all in. 12 minutes. By that time everything should be nearly done. Right, I'll get them in the oven. Pan should be hot now. You know, oil. I'm going to stick me onions in. So I'm not putting any seasoning because we've got that seasoning there, which is absolutely delicious. Well, hopefully, if it's like that chicken madras one I've done, which I presume it will, it's the same sort of stuff I think, but a Chinese one. And I'm also going to put my chicken in at the same time Now there is a lot of chicken. I say I'm going to do a few batches, well a big batch. So we'll just fry it all up and get it all nearly cooked. Nice and simple. Just add a little bit more oil if you need to, you think it's going to be a bit dry. This chicken hasn't got much water in it. So, if it needs a bit more oil, I will put some in. Okay, let's have a look at this, the Spice Millers curry from Mr. Marinade. Smooth and spicy, no artificial flavours. I know how to make it, I'll show you anyway, because I made it the other day. It's exactly the same. But what I'm going to do with the ingredients, I'm going to double it up, if you get me. Instead of 7, I'm going to use 14. Because I say I'm making a big batch, so I'm going to really double it up. And there's all the ingredients. You want to have yourselves a look. So I'll get my water ready first, my cold water. Okay, let's open this Chinese mix then. Let's have a look. If I can get it open. There we go. Oh, that smells very Chinesey. Now I'm going to do what I've done before. I've done one of them and a little one of them, but this time I'm going to do 2 of each in 150 ml of water this time instead of 75. Hopefully it should work. So I want 2 of them. If it is a bit gloopy, I would have just add a bit more water, that's all I'll do. We'll give that a mix, nice and simple. Lovely. I'll just keep stirring the chicken. I've just had the kettle on heating up to add the hot water now. That's that done. Yeah, just stirring this. Looking nice now. Looking nice. What I've decided I'm going to do with this, before I put the hot water in, I'm just going to put a little drop in, see if I can get a little bit of marinade onto the chickens and that. You get me? See if that works. Get it a little coat. It will thicken up a little bit, you see. That's what it's all about, innit? Trying, testing things and seeing if it works. Okay, I've added the hot water, doubled the hot water. And we're going to pour it in and keep mixing. That's all we're going to do. And if it is too runny, so I'll just add a bit more seasoning, that's all. Trial and error, that's all it is for me. Look, get that extra bit of seasoning there, didn't quite mix it good enough at the bottom, there we go. And just keep stirring till it thickens up. And it was like the other one, it thickened up virtually, yeah, it's starting to thicken now, you can see it. Which is good, it's got a little bit more juice, so then I can get the chicken cooked properly, because I had to leave it a little bit longer last time, because I didn't quite put enough in for the juice to cook the chicken properly. So I had to leave it an extra few minutes. But look at that, thickening already, look. Oh yes, it smells delicious. It really does. Get it all covered and I'll keep stirring anyway. There we go guys, it is done. Didn't take long at all. A nice little thick bit to it as well, look. So it did work, just doubling it like that, the ingredients. Don't know what it tastes like yet, obviously. Rice is done. I've just this second got them out, they're boiling up. They're done. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to dish Nats and the lads up. And then I'll just put my peas in, if you get me at the end. Just warm them back through. Okay, I've just dished Nats and the lads up. They're eating theirs. I'll just stick a few peas in here. Is that like, sweetheart?
Oh, that's well nice.
Is it? Just give them like a minute or two, that's all. They're going to warm through the peas, ain't they? I ain't putting loads in, just in case Nat wants a bit more, can always move the peas to one side.
I'll split the peas out. Don't worry about it.
Yeah, but you know, you like it without peas, don't you? Just give them 1 minute.
I don't know why I don't like
Let's see how that's getting on. There it is. Let me show you. There it is. Hot. Oh, you just bit into one of them, have you? Oh, the chicken's hot as well. And we got some prawn crackers and all. But I'll show you at the end when I'll do mine now. Okay, we'll get some rice on. Loads of rice left, which is good. We've got some for the boxing. Lovely. Get a bit of curry on, it's nice and thick. There it is. And plenty left for the boxing, Babby, if I want more. Oh, yes. There we go. We'll get up the table and I'll give you a good show with the stuff on it then. And there we go, look. There's the curry. Look, that's getting right into hers, ain't you? Right enjoying it. She keeps that off camera. I was just waiting till I get on camera.
No, I said something else.
Oh, yeah, you went. It's the BB, didn't you? Yeah, looks nice. There's a spring rolls. I got my words mixed up now. They're just Aldi things, and they are nice, aren't they? And the prawn crackers. Yes. And the only thing I didn't have in was the prawn crackers and the vegetable spring rolls. That was it, really. I had everything else in, a bit of chicken.
Chicken's nice.
Chicken's nice.
Yeah.
Mine's going to be a bit hot because it's just come out.
Told ya.
Oh, that's nice, isn't it? That's just like
Told ya.
the Chinese, isn't it?
I think it's better.
Oh, that's really nice, isn't it? See what you mean?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, Bab. Them curries are nice from there, ain't they? That Mr.
They're
Marinade.
lovely.
They're really nice. That chicken madras one's beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah.
This Chinese one's gorgeous, isn't it?
I think it tastes better than the Chinese one.
I think it tastes better than the Chinese as well.
Chinese one's too strong for me. But
No,
this
it's not
one's
too
really
strong,
nice.
is it?
No,
It's just-
everyone's different, aren't they? Everyone's got different taste. I'm not that keen on it. I find it really overpowering, but this is lovely. This is really nice.
And I double the ingredients and everything, so I've got more.
It's nice.
So I'll probably get another 3 chicken, 3 rice, and the vegetable spring rolls, and I'll probably just eat them all now.
I'm getting full up.
You're getting full up. So there you go, a bit of chicken. That was from that Mr. Muscle Food, Keep calling saying it Mr. Muscle, don't I? Muscle Food. And better than that. What did we have yesterday?
Steak.
That steak. Oh. But yeah. Mr. Marinade, another good one. I think that's the best curry sauce one we've had. Better than Mayflower.
Yeah, it is.
Better than that goldfish.
Actually, yeah, it is actually.
That other one I cocked up on. Remember the one I forgot to stir?
Alright.
And it went, but it was a bit strong. But that might be down to me. I've got to revisit that one. But so far, that's the best one, isn't it?
I really like this.
Yeah, that's really, really nice. As I say, something quick. The boxes, and I was going to do order a Chinese, but there we go. I had the stuff in, nice and cheap. I got about 6 portions there for not for nothing for me really, apart from the chicken, and I had the marinade give it to me. I'll leave a link to that stuff if you want any anyway. So I say, I'm the old food guy. Give us a like, give us a subscribe. I'm going to go and eat it before it goes cold. See you later. Bye bye. Out of 10.
10 plus.
10 plus. 10 plus for that again. She likes these 10 pluses, really, he's Mr. Marinade, don't you?
Do you know what? I really like Mr. Marinade.
It's nice, isn't it? We've only had the bad one, haven't we?
Like one bad one.
Yeah, and that was the steak one because we didn't like it. But I don't know if it was down to the steak or the marinade. Mind you, the marinade was too strong for us,
I
wasn't it?
wouldn't try that again. That's
The marinade,
no-no
yeah,
for
it's too
me.
strong.
Yeah.
Apart from that, Delicious.
10
See you
plus.
later. 10 plus, yeah, I'm going to get 10 and all. Simple. Took just after the time for the rice, that's all. See you later.